Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to remove the popcorn ceiling in my daughter's bedroom in one take. No cuts, no edits, just one take, remove the complete ceiling. I think I can do it start to finish in 10 minutes. I'm not going to do the closet because the camera's in the closet. I don't want A, the ceiling on the camera, and B, the water that I'm going to mist on the camera. But I think I can get the bedroom done in under 10 minutes. Maybe. It's going to be pretty close to that 10-minute mark. It's going to take me a full hour to clean up the mess that it leaves on the floor, which is just OSB at this point because we've pulled out the carpeting. But I want to show how easy it is. I want to show how easy it is to remove the popcorn ceiling from your house. This popcorn ceiling has not been painted. If it's been painted, it is much harder to remove. We built this house 15 years ago. We've done nothing to the ceilings till about 3 days ago when I tried this the first time. I can't believe how easy it is. I'm on my way through the house. I'm doing every single room. This is way too easy to leave this ugly ass popcorn ceiling up. So I'm going to start this here. Don't worry about the fan. It's not just the tensile strength of the wire mess. There's one zip tie there holding it up too. I've removed the smoke detector. There's obviously some prep work. And there's going to be a full hour or more of cleanup. But the actual removal of the ceiling is unbelievably easy. I'm going to get started now. First, I'm misting it with water. This seems to take down about 75% of the dust and makes it so I can do the whole ceiling in one step. There'll be a few spots that I won't quite get wet enough and I'll have to remist and hit at the end. The edges seem to need the most water, so I found it works best if you circle the room first. You want to mist it just enough to kind of dampen it, but when it comes down, you'll notice that the cardboard or paper backing, the paper backing on the sheetrock is still dry. Make sure you protect yourself from the dust while you're scraping the ceiling and while you're sweeping the floor. time. That was under 10 minutes. Yeah, I'm going to have to go around the corners with a sponge and make it so the tape will stick. For the most part, I got it done in under 10 minutes. Now I get to clean. Lucky me.